there guys, GreenScienceBoy here, and today Grandin released 2 new prop videos. The one you just saw, the animated typewriter, and before we get into the next one, which is even more exciting, I just want to talk about this one. It appears to have an animated moving back and forth paper, typing keys, and I think this is really cool because this would be something that would fit well in any old Victorian mansion theme or hotel theme, or any store theme, writing theme. That would be good for any of those. So, yeah, I just think that it's pretty cool and that it could be well used in a haunt.
Welcome to our humble haunt. Turn back now, you're in grave danger.
This next one is even more exciting, and this is the animated vampire. The reasons I like this is the mouth moving effect. Looks very nice on it. The glowing eyes are very intimidating, and it comes with some old spooky phrases from older props, such as the talking busts and heads up Harry. So yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you guys.